I'm not a woman at Google, I'm a geek at Google. I was always very good at math and science. No one ever called out to me that it was strange to be a girl who was good at math and science. I guess I was just kind of gender oblivious. I took introductory computer science, so I went over to the Stanford bookstore and bought a Centris 610, which was a great computer at that time, and got it back to my dorm room, and I remember not knowing how to turn it on. What I really loved about computer science was it was a different problem every day. You got to think about something in a new and interesting way. There was no formula, there was no recipe, there was no memorization. By the end of my senior year, I was a head TA of one of the courses. There was this one columnist at the Stanford Daily, and she wrote a piece on campus icons. There's the crazy guy in White Plaza, there's the librarian with the glasses and the chain. All of a sudden there was a bullet point in the list that said the blonde woman in the upper division computer science courses. And I remember thinking like, well, I should know that one. Who is that, right? And then I realized it was me, right? And I never noticed up until that point that I was strange or stood out. A lot of the startups I gave a 0.02% chance of succeeding. I actually gave Google about a 2% chance of succeeding. So it was about 100 times better than any of the other startups that I had met. But I still thought, odds were 50 to 1 that we would fail. I started off actually writing the code, which is the Google web server that answers your query. So when you talk to Google, the thing that produces those web pages that answer you and write the search results page, those were things that I actually coded on. Often women I talk to will feel that these guys have been programming since they were 10 and they've been playing extensive video games since they were 13, like, I won't catch up. But I think the amazing thing about computer science is it is a field where you can make big gains quickly and it's easy to catch up, especially if you're inspired. If you push through that feeling of being scared, that feeling of taking a risk, really amazing things happen.